How can I properly set up Python debugging tools? Imagine trying to fix a puzzle without seeing all the pieces. Debugging tools in Python are like your puzzle-solving helpers, showing you exactly where things go wrong. If you want to write better Python code and catch errors faster, setting up debugging tools is a smart move. First, you need to pick the right debugger for your setup. The most common one is Python's built-in debugger called PDB. It is simple and works right out of the box. You can add a line in your code that says import PDB, settrace. When your program hits that line, it pauses and gives you an interactive prompt. From there, you can inspect variables, step through code, or continue running. Starting with Python 3.7, you can use the breakpoint function instead of PDB, settrace. It is easier to remember and makes your code cleaner. When the program reaches breakpoint, it pauses and opens an interactive prompt just like PDB. To use PDB or breakpoint, just insert them at the spot where you want to check things out. Next, if you use Visual Studio Code, you need to install the Python extension. It adds debugging features directly into the editor. Open your project, set breakpoints by clicking next to the line numbers, and then press F5 or click the Run icon to start debugging. You can also create a configuration file called launch.json to customize how your program runs. If you prefer a full-eyed, Visual Studio also supports Python debugging. You can set breakpoints, step through code, and watch variables. It offers more advanced options like debugging mixed Python and C code. When debugging, use commands like step into to go inside functions, step over to run a line without entering functions, and continue to run until the next breakpoint. Always keep your environment clean by working inside a virtual environment. This keeps dependencies separate and avoids conflicts. Remember to set breakpoints at key points where errors might happen. Use the debugger's inspect feature to watch variables and evaluate expressions. Learning the debugger commands and shortcuts helps you troubleshoot faster. Configuring your debugger to match your project needs is also helpful. You can pass command line arguments, set environment variables, or specify scripts to run. With these steps, you will be ready to catch bugs early and fix issues efficiently. Debugging Python could become less frustrating when you have the right tools set up properly. Practice using breakpoints and stepping through your code regularly. Over time, debugging will become a natural part of your coding process, making your programs more reliable and your skills sharper.